We've all seen desserts that make you stop scrolling and think, how did they make that? The surprising part? Many of those incredible designs don't require years of experience. They come from smart little gadgets that completely change the final result. Today, we're counting down 13 baking gadgets that can turn ordinary desserts into something seriously impressive. And trust me, number 1 is something you'll want to see. Number 13. Canon PIXMA TS705A Edible Printer Bundle. Want to put a photo or custom design directly onto a cake? This edible printer creates detailed images on frosting sheets and wafer paper, turning photos, logos, and artwork into decorations you can actually eat. Number 12. Watson & Webb Cake Airbrush Kit. This airbrush sprays edible color as a fine mist, creating smooth gradients and professional-looking finishes without brushing the frosting. Add a stencil, and you can create everything from marble effects to detailed patterns. Number 11. Silikomart Bloom Silicone Mold. This mold gives desserts a beautiful flower shape before you even start decorating. Use it for mousse, cheesecake, panna cotta, or chocolate, and the finished dessert already looks like a centerpiece. Number 10. Wilton Russian Decorating Tip Set. One squeeze can create an entire buttercream flower. These Russian tips make roses, tulips, chrysanthemums, and other flowers without piping every petal individually. Number 9. Ateco #612 Revolving Cake Decorating Stand. Instead of moving your decorating tool around the cake, this stand lets the cake rotate smoothly underneath it. That makes creating straight sides, sharp edges, and even borders much easier. Number 8. PME Patterned Edge Side Scraper Set. Want texture without complicated decorating? These pattern scrapers create ridges, waves, grooves, and geometric designs as you rotate the cake. Number 7. Martellato Chocolate Transfer Sheets. Here's where chocolate gets seriously creative. Spread tempered chocolate over these printed sheets. Let it set, and the artwork transfers directly onto the chocolate. Number 6. Davies Silicone Texture Mold. This mold can make fondant and modeling chocolate look like wood, brick, stone, fabric, or lace. Press, release, and you instantly get detailed textures that would be extremely difficult to create by hand. Number 5. SweetStamp Letter Set. Perfect cake lettering is difficult, especially freehand. SweetStamp presses clean, evenly spaced letters into fondant, cookies, and modeling chocolate, making names, messages, and monograms much easier. Number 4. Lékué Deco Pen. Think of it as an edible pen. Fill it with chocolate, icing, caramel, or sauces, and create everything from fine lines and messages to decorative patterns. Number 3. JB Prince Professional Crème Brûlée Torch. This small torch can transform a dessert in seconds. It caramelizes sugar into that iconic crisp crème brûlée shell, while also working beautifully on meringue, fruit, and other desserts. Number 2. Designer Stencils Cake Stencil Collection. Professional-looking cake patterns don't have to be drawn by hand. These food-safe stencils let you quickly create lace, floral, geometric, and decorative designs with icing, cocoa, powdered sugar, or airbrush color. Number 1. SugarVeil Confectionery Lace Mat. And this is where things get really impressive. The SugarVeil lace mat creates delicate edible lace from icing, giving cakes intricate floral and filigree designs that can wrap around curved tiers. The result looks completely handmade, without piping every tiny detail yourself. And those were 13 baking gadgets that can turn simple desserts into impressive creations. Which one would you actually use? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe.